Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. In today's video, we are going to be going over our 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, January the 25th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video and it is absolutely free. A lot of people skip this step, but it is very important. If you like these videos and you want to see more, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down in the comment section below. All right, now let's go ahead and get into it. Up first, here's a few more deals that you need to know about. We have some new coupons and cashback offers pop up on our accounts over the last couple of days. Some of these will be included in our 5 off $25 scenarios, and others might make really good substitutions. Speaking of substitutions, if you are going to need some substitutions, maybe your store's out of stock of an item, maybe you've already used a coupon, go back and check out my videos from this week because we have so many fantastic deals going on at Dollar General right now. It is crazy. Just yesterday, I did upload the glitch list video going over all of the current glitches going on at DG, plus a few extra deals. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. And let's go ahead and get into our 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday. Up first, we are going to do a deal with our baby items. We have an instant savings of $5 when you spend $30 on baby items this week at Dollar General. So for this deal, we're going to pick up one bag of the pull-ups priced at $12. You can very easily swap this one out for the Huggies diapers. We have a coupon for that one as well. Then we're going to pick up the 56 count wipes and 5 of the Gerber snacks priced at $3 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.50. We have $5 in instant savings, so your new subtotal will be $25.50. Here's a look at your coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $13.75 for 7 items, or just $1.96 each. Now, for this deal, there are tons of items included in the instant savings. I did want to point out with the Gerber baby snacks, we are picking up $15 worth of those items because we are using that 5 off 15 Nestle DG store coupon. I was going to do a separate video talking about the instant savings and that 5 off 15 DG store coupon, but I just wasn't sure if enough people would be interested. So just to kind of sum it up, with the Gerber baby snacks priced at $3, I just chose that one because it's an easy one to multiply by 5 and you're at $15. However, you can definitely mix and match however you would like. The goal is to get $15 worth of the Gerber baby snacks or food. That way you can use your 5 off 15 Nestle DG store coupon. As you can see, I have included a lot of the different products and prices. That way you can mix and match, but there's a lot out there. Just scan it with your phone. Make sure that the instant savings and the 5 off 15 show up underneath. All right, next up, we're going to talk about this 5 off 25 DG store coupon on our all Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products, and you want to make sure that you're ringing the items up in this order. Pick up one of the Persil laundry detergents at $5.50, one of the Snuggle fabric softeners priced at $3.75, one of the Purex 75 fluid ounce bottles at $6, one of the Snuggle 80 count dryer sheets at $3.75, one of the Snuggle scent beads at $6, 3 of the Glade air fresheners at $2 each, and one of the Kinder Bueno bars priced at $1.40. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.40. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $18.25 for 5 items, but then you're getting back a ton of DG cash. $1 on the Purex, 75 cents on the Snuggle sheets, $2 on the Snuggle beads, and $6 on the Glade air fresheners, making your final price $8.50 for 9 items, or just 94 cents each. For scenario number 3, we're picking up one of the large gain liquid laundry detergents at $18.95 and one of the 31 count flings at $9.95, one Airwick warmer priced at $4, 2 of the Kotex liners priced at $1 each, one of the Crest Pro Health priced at $1, and one of the Kinder Bueno bars priced at $1.40. That's going to put your subtotal at $37.30. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $12.90 for 7 items, or $1.82 each. For scenario number 4, we're picking up 3 of the Dr. Pepper 12 packs on sale, 3 for $13, 2 of the Tombstone pizzas on sale, 2 for $10, 2 of the Tombstone pizza sticks priced at $1.25 each, 1 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1.25 liters at $1.75, and 1 of the Doritos minis priced at $2.85. 1 Kinder Bueno bar priced at $1.40, 1 Airwick warmer priced at $4, 1 Crest Pro Health priced at $1, 2 of the Kotex liners priced at $1 each, and that's going to put your subtotal at $38.50. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $16.10 for 14 items, or $1.15 each. Now, I am crazy, but I'm not completely off of my rocker just yet. I do understand that those Airwick warmers can be really hard to find for some people, so if you guys will notice on a lot of these scenarios that I have included the warmer, The subtotal before coupons is well over $25, so you can simply just leave that item off and you still have a fantastic deal. For scenario number 5, we're going to pick up one of the Mountain Dew or Pepsi 1.25 liters at $1.75, one of the Doritos Minis priced at $2.85, one Jiffy Peanut Butter priced at $2.85, one of the Smucker's Jelly priced at $2.95, 2 of the Old El Paso products on sale this week, 2 for $4, 5 of the Glade air fresheners on sale this week for $2 each, and 1 of the Glade starter kits priced at $3.75. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.15. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $17.15 for 12 items, but then you're getting back a ton of DG cash. $7.50 on the Glade air fresheners and $2.50 on the Glade kits. That's going to make your final price $7.15 for 12 items, or 59 cents each. For scenario number 6, we're picking up one of these Scott 6-count bath tissue at $3.50, one of the Palmolive dish soaps priced at $2.75, one of the Ajax dish soaps priced at $2.50, one Colgate mouthwash priced at $5, one of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $4, one of the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes priced at $3.35, one Airwick warmer priced at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.10. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $5.60 for 7 items, or just 80 cents each. For scenario number 7, we're picking up 2 of the Hello deodorants priced at $7.50 each, one of the Head & Shoulders priced at $4.50, one of the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes priced at $3.35, one Crest Pro Health priced at $1, 2 of the Kotex liners priced at $1 each, and that's going to put your subtotal at $25.85. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $5.85 for 7 items, or just 83 cents each. For scenario number 8, we're picking up one of the 8-count Breathe Right strips priced at $3.75, 5 of the Glade air fresheners priced at $2 each, one of the Glade starter kits priced at $3.75, 2 of the U by Kotex liners priced at $1 each, one of the Airwick warmers priced at $4, one of the Kinder Bueno bars priced at $1.40, one of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1.25 liters at $1.75, and one of the Doritos Minis priced at $2.85. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.50. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, you're going to pay $14.16 for 13 items. But then you're getting back a ton of DG cash. $2.50 on the Breathe Right strips, $7.50 on the Glade air fresheners, and $2.50 on the Glade starter kit. That's going to make your final price $1.16 for 13 items, or just 12 cents each. A couple of last minute reminders. Don't forget, we have a lot of those DG cashback offers in the form of a rebate right now on Ibotta. So if you prefer Ibotta over the DG Cash, you can definitely do that. Also, don't forget to scan in your receipts to fetch rewards, because that's the easiest rebate app out there. Like I mentioned before, if you're looking for more DG deals, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos. And as always, I will add additional notes for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me for now. But you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned, because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.